Getting ready to drop off the kids. My husband just left for Montreal for a work trip for a few days, so I'll be on my own. Wish me luck. Just gone to work and brought coffee for the girls because it's their birthday. See you later. Setting up my room. Gonna stock up some toothbrushes. It's gonna be a fun day. We're gonna have order Firehouse subs for lunch, and I'll show you guys if it's any good. But we've had it before, and it's pretty delicious. And everyone loves my new hairdo. So we ordered Firehouse subs, and the boss paid for it. It smells delicious. And I got an Italian sub, so I'll let you guys know how it is later. So I got the Italian sub. Looks delicious. I got added jalapenos. Yummy, yummy. Cake from chocolate big cake for the girls. Delicious. Just came home, put back the groceries, and I think I'm gonna do maybe a 20-minute upper arms to show that I've done something today. I think I'm gonna take a rest day for my legs because I just did a 30-minute run yesterday and they're pretty sore, so we'll see how that goes. Made a granola bowl, some raspberries, chia seed pudding, yogurt, and my favorite mixed granola. Post-exercise meal or snack. Just got to work. Had to drop off the kids. His husband is out of town for a few days until tomorrow, so I'm doing everything. See you after the 8-hour shift. I left work, going quickly to Taro's Fish to pick up some sashimi. Gonna make some hand rolls for the kids. Quick dinner recipe. So yeah, it was a long day, but we made it. Goodies. So they even slice up the sashimi that you bought for you if you want, nicely for free. I bought some sushi rice so I don't have to make the rice, some seaweed, and some fish cake. I think the bill was $66 for everything, which is not too bad. I bought the king salmon, so it was a little bit more pricier. Let's see if it's any good. So show you guys what I got. I just got Atlantic salmon, I think it's the belly, and then the king salmon, which the worker recommended. It's the best one. pre-made sushi rice. Save some time. Some nori. That's miso soup from another place, but this is so good. Instant and tastes just like the restaurant. And some fish sticks or crab sticks, imitation crab. Yummy.
So good. So good. So good. It makes me smart.
Delicious?
It makes me smart already.
I'm just gonna use my hands. And then I just put a topping. Some crab meat. Wait. And then I'm just gonna roll it. There you go. There's your hand roll. What?
Okay.
Yummy. Did a 30-minute run. Pretty good. I mean, it's been 2 days, so kind of refreshened up. And now I finally got my package from Sandro. It's a cardigan with beads on it, so I'll show you guys. There we go. I'll model it for you guys later after I shower. So this is the Sandro top. Got it in size 3. It's a little loose. I might have to return it and exchange it for size 2. I don't know, I think if it's fitted, it would look a little bit better, but I'm not sure. And then the sleeves, the shoulder kind of sticks out a little bit. You see the extra material on the arms. On the model, it seems a little like tighter. So. Hubby made dinner tonight and it looks amazing. Mussel pasta with giant tiger shrimp, and my favorite, caviar with bombolini. So good. Buying groceries. Fun.
This is very expensive. I wanted to
Excited to try this. Hopefully it's good. It's pretty healthy. 11 grams of protein. Air fried my egg whites. See how it tastes. Very fluffy. I can confirm it tastes just like the Starbucks one. Thumbs up. Found these at Costco. It's the Korean style sweet pancakes. Has brown sugar and a sweet potato base. I'm going to pan fry it, see if it's any good. It's called otok. Very interesting. I think it's around 300 calories. It's quite high, but it's a nice dessert treat. And it's from Korea. My breakfast today, 2 egg bites, a mini croissant, my coffee, and my favorite granola. Made my own chia seed pudding like always. Added a bit of yogurt and some fruit. Yum.
Clapping. You're gonna match your feet to your hands, okay? It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
I don't know if you can see, but it's April 2nd and it's freaking snowing. It's never ending. My lunch today is tuna poke with some salad and avocado, egg, some veggie sticks, hummus, and miso soup. Finally finished work, drove home. Gonna make some quick dinner. Very happy today because my wholesales associate texted me that he had the Miss Z Louboutins available, so I did a deposit. They're so hard to come by. Honestly, I've been waiting like 4 months for it, and it never restocks in my size. I think I'm size 35. So let's hope that it fits when it arrives, and I'll show you guys how it looks.